This production is brought to you by Philothea Studios.
Hello and welcome. You are about to listen to a short narrative selected from Restoration, a publication of the Madonna House Apostolate. We invite you to listen deeply as the author shares the joys and struggles of living the gospel of Jesus Christ without compromise in today's world.
It's Hard to Really Love by Doherty. The following was published in Restoration, January 2009. From Grace in Every Season. Available from Madonna House Publications. Love means an interior and spiritual identification with one's brother or sister, so that the person is not regarded as an object to which good is done. Doing good in that way is of little or no spiritual value to anyone. In fact, it is a tragedy. It destroys the one who gives and the one who receives. Love takes on one's neighbor as one's self and loves the neighbor with all the immense humility and discretion and reserve and reverence without which no one can presume to enter into the sanctuary of another. From such love, all authoritarianism, brutality, all exploitation, domineering, and condescension must necessarily be absent. The full difficulty and magnitude of the task of loving others should be recognized. Love should take on one's neighbor as one's very self and love that person with immense humility and never minimize it. That it is hard to really love others in this way should be recognized, if love is taken in the full sense of the word. I have often spoken of identification with the poor. It is an identification that only love can achieve, by complete forgetfulness of self and total concern for the other person. It is an identification so deep, so complete, that it becomes part of oneself, like breathing. It is a way of loving. Dear friend, thank you for listening. Rest assured of the prayers of the Madonna House community for you, our listener. May God bless you and keep you. May God shine His face upon you, and may God give you His peace.